Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I will show you how you can schedule a message to be sent at some point later to your team members and coworkers in your Slack workspace. So let us get started. Head over to Slack, log into your account, select your workspace in the top left corner, and pick a channel you would like to send that scheduled message to your team members and coworkers. So let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial. After that, you will see that text box here at the bottom. So here you may send your or type in your message. So let's type in something like that, send weekly report. So something like that, because that's a task I would like to notify my team members of. And last but not least, guys, before you send it, make sure that you click on that arrow down icon here, schedule for later, and select, for example, suggested scheduling date, like later today at 9 a.m. or next Monday at 9 a.m. Or select a custom scheduling time by clicking on that button. Select the day, like for example, Thursday 22nd May, and the time of the day, like 8:45 a.m. And last but not least, confirm the scheduling by clicking on that button here, schedule message. And last but not least, you will see that notification here. Your message or more of them have been scheduled to be sent. You can access these and have a better overview by clicking on see all scheduled messages here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you schedule messages in your Slack workspace. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.